Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This one is the Superior tool, 3/8 inch or half inch top drain wrench. I got this out of eBay for $9, free shipping. With the tax and everything, it's $9.79. So anyway, let's go and then open this up and show you guys. Wow, it's pretty big. So it says 60 years. Top drain wrench. Install and remove top drains. So this one's a new improved multiple purpose design. Made in USA, lifetime guarantee. Wow. And this one is the Pro line. So it will also install or remove half-inch square plastic toilet seat nut. Will not scratch, fine finish. Enable anyone to install or remove bathtub drain, even those without crossbar, such as Kohler or American Standard. Both ends of the tool can be used. Select the end which fit best in the drain. Only tool of its kind that can be turned from either end, with the 3/8 inch or half-inch ratchet wrench and extension. You can also use an adjustable wrench or heavy-duty screwdriver. Go ahead and open this up. Wow, it's a nice quality. So there you go guys, you got the half-inch or 3/8 or 3/8 inch, and same goes on this side. Or if you can, you could just insert a screwdriver and then start turning. And Superior tool. Made in USA. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comment on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.